Welding, by definition, is joining two pieces of metal together with heat and pressure. And when you think about welding, in everything that we touch in our lives is basically has been touched by welding. The kids in the classroom sitting in chairs, they're all welded. The toothpaste, when you brush your teeth, that flat piece at the bottom of your toothbrush is welded. So there's so many things that in our daily lives, welding's all around. It's just almost mind-blowing.
When you're exploring this shop, a lot of people end up liking it a lot because it's very hands-on.
I like it because it's fun and I get to learn.
I love being able to play with fire, learning a new skill. It was definitely a trade I couldn't learn out in the world after I went to college or even before I went to college.
What I love about working with high school students is that they're like sponges. They're not so cynical like adults. Like when you're talking to a student, all of it is like bright and amazing and new, and I do enjoy that. And what I really love is when I have seniors and they actually get it by their senior year and they say, oh my God, I'm going to make money and have a career from the things that you've taught me.
You make a lot of money in this trade and you get to play with fire. So those are the two draws, honestly.
Yeah, I definitely feel support. I feel like there's always someone that I can fall back on if something goes wrong. Especially my teachers, they're really reliable when I need something. Like, I can always go to them if I have a question or if I have concerns about different things that's going on in shop.
I feel supported by the teachers. I have really great teachers.
Being in shop with other like-minded students makes you feel more at home. I definitely feel like I found my people in this shop. If it's somewhere you feel like you don't really fit in, we kind of take the misfits. We give you a place where you feel like, I fit in here, these are my friends, these are my family, this is my home. That's definitely something I found when I joined this shop.